Meaning of glare.
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 Glare. The word glare can refer to two different things. The first is a harsh and bright light that dazzles the eyes, often causing discomfort or even pain. The second definition refers to a fixed and angry stare, often accompanied by a threatening or confrontational attitude. In either case, glare connotes a sort of intense and unyielding quality that can be uncomfortable or even intimidating for those on the receiving end. The term can also be used more metaphorically to describe situations or personalities that exhibit similar qualities of intensity, harshness, or confrontation.